My name is David Carlisle. My project for EE409 was to build a little generator. I did this by making a rotating magnetic field, utilizing a coil set of 100 loops and some washers to give it some magnetic material to help the magnetic flux with. And I have that coil attached to just 4 AA batteries, and they just straight through and create a magnetic field. I also have a stationary loop. This loop is a 200 coil loop, and this loop will pick up the change in magnetic field, and we will see how that is measured using an oscilloscope. Okay, I'm using my LabVIEW oscilloscope and giving a little bit of rotational speed here. Not terribly fast. You can see the waveform developing. As you pick up speed, the amplitude increases, and of course the frequency is going to increase. At full speed, about 14 revolutions per second, just under 900 RPMs. We're starting to see some voltage, about 300 millivolts peak to peak. I really thought I'd be able to produce a lot more voltage, a lot easier by doing this, but 300 millivolt peak to peak, of course, isn't a lot. So it really kind of shows me it's really pretty hard to develop the voltage necessary in a generator, even with a 100 loop and a 100 loops rotating field and a 200 loop stationary coil. My field current is around 2 amps, so I'm not pushing it really too hard, but obviously in industrial practices have to use a lot more magnetic material and really push the limits on the components of the wires and the windings. It was a lot of fun, and I was glad to see it worked. Again, this is David Carlisle with EE409. Thank you very much.